we must convert from mixed number to improper. Write 5 in the numerator and 2 times 5 equal 10 plus 1 equal 11. 11 over 5 times 5 over 11, it will be 1. Then we must write 5 over 11 in this space. Question number 2. 2x minus 3 times by x plus 5 equal 2x power 2 and negative 15 plus space. We can find the middle term here by finding the product between extremes and means and sum of them. Then 2x times 5, it will be 10x, and negative 3 times x, it will be negative 3x. The sum of them, it will be 7x. Then we must write in the space here 7x. Next question. Number 2. Okay, understood. The result will be 7x. Number 3. The mode for the values 4, 11, 12, 11, 14, 15, and 11 is 11 because 11 is the most repeating numbers here. Then question 3, the result will be 11. We talk about the mode will be 11. Number 4, the algebraic term 5xy is space of degree. 5xy is second degree because 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Then the degree about this term, it will be second degree. Question number 5. If a plus 3b equals 7 and c equal 3, then the numerical value about this expression of a plus 3 multiplied by b plus c is space. First, we must write a here and use the distributive properties of this expression. 3 times b, it will be 3b, and 3 times c, it will be 3c. Then we can write a plus 3b equal, he tell us a plus b equal, a plus 3b was equal 7. Then 7 plus 3 times c, the constant here with 3, then 7 plus 3 times 3, 9. 7 plus 9, it will be equal 16. The result here will be equal 16. Understood? A plus 3b equal 7 and c equals 3. Then a plus 3 times a plus 3 product the sum of b and c is, we're using distributive properties. A plus 3 times b plus 3 times c using distributive properties here, and put a plus 3b equals 7 plus 3 product by the value of c, 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 7, it will be equal 16. Question number 2, choose the correct answer. Number 1, x minus 2 product by x power 2 plus 2x plus 4. We can write x times x power 2, it will be x power 3, and x times 2x will be 2x power 2, and x times 4, it will be 4x. Negative 2 times x power 2, it will be negative 2x power 2. Negative 2 times 2x, it will be negative 4x. Negative 2 times 4, it will be negative 8. And then you can simplify it, cancel 2x power 2 by negative 2x power 2, and negative 4x by positive. Then the result will be x power 3 subtract by 8. The result about this question. Choose letter B. Question number 2, the median for all the values 4. We can find the median by arrange all the values ascendingly and then write the number in the middle. We have 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Then the median, it will be 5. The median here will be 5. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. If 5 over x plus 2 is rational number, going to rational number, then x not equal what? Not equal negative 2. Because negative 2 plus 2 equals 0, and any number divided by 0 and defined. So we must write negative 2 here. Next question. Number 4. Negative 3x times by negative 5y. Negative times negative equal positive. 3 times 5, 15. And x times y, it will be xy. Question number 5. The multiplicative inverse of the number half power 2 power 0. Any number power 0 equal 1. Then the multiplicative inverse, it will be 1. The multiplicative inverse 1. Question number 6. If 2 over 5x equal 10, then 3 over 5x will be equal space. First, we can find the value of x here. X will be 10 times 5 divided by 2. Write the inverse about this fraction. 5 times 2, 50. 50 divided by 2, it will be 25. In the value of x, it will be 25. Then he want to find 3/5 of x. Product the value of x, 25. 25 divided by 5, it will be 5. 3 times 5, it will be 15. Then the result here will be 15. 3. Question number 3. Subtract this expression from expression, another expression. Okay, we can find the difference between them. Write the miniand first step. The miniand here, 3a power 2. Subtract 2ap. Subtract 2p power 2. Equal the miniand, and subtrahend here negative a power 2. Negative 5ap plus 4p power 2. And then we can write 3a power 2 negative 2ap negative 2p power 2, negative times negative positive, e power 2 positive 5 ep, negative times positive negative 4p power 2. And then we can using associative properties and commutative, 3a power 2 with a power 2 and negative 2ap with 5ap and negative 2p power 2 with 4p power 2. And then 3 plus 1 will be 4. The result will be 4e power 2. Negative 2ab plus 5ab, it will be 3ep, and negative 2p power 2 plus 4p power 2, it will be positive 2p power 2. Then it's the result about this example. Okay, question letter B. Simplify 5 product by 2x minus 1. Subtract 3 multiplication x power 2 minus 1 plus x times by 5x minus 1. Find the numerical value when x equal 1. Okay, first step, we can simplify it by using distributive properties. 5 times 2, it will be 10. 5 times 1, it will be 5. Negative 3 times x power 2, it will be negative 3x power 2. Negative 3 times negative 1, it will be positive 3. X times 5x will be 5x power 2. Times negative 1, it will be negative x. And then write 10x minus x and negative 5 plus 3 and negative 3x power 2 plus 5x power 2. 10x minus x, it will be 9x. Negative 5 plus 3, it will be negative 2. And then, okay, result here 9x. and here negative 2, and here it will be, we have negative 3x power 2 and 5x power 2. We must add them. The result will be 2x power 2. You can replace, try 2x power 2 is the first, arrange all terms as descendingly, 2x power 2 and 9x on a2. Okay, it's the value, or he want to find the value of this expression at x equal 1. Then the value about this expression will be 2 multiplication by y power 2. Put x equal 1 here, okay? Plus 9 times 1 minus 2. 2 times 1 power 2, it will be 2, plus 9 times 1, it will be 9 minus 2. Result will be 9. Okay, next question. Find the rational number halfway between 9 over 4 and 17 over 6. We can find the number by add two numbers and divide the result by 2. Question number 4, letter E. You can write the number will be half multiplication by sum between the numbers 9 over 4 and 17 over 6. We can write half, and here we write the least common multiplication between two denominators 6 and 4, it will be 12. 3 times 4 12, 3 times 9 it will be 7, 2 times 6 12, 2 times 17 it will be 34. Then we can write half and write 12 in the numerator, and 34 plus 27, 7 plus 4 equals 11, 1 and the carry up 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then we can write 61 times 1 and 2 times 12, it will be 24. This is the number you want to find. The number lines in the middle between two numbers 9 and 4 and 17 over 6. The result will be 61 over 24. Next question, letter B. Use properties here, distribution properties, to find the result about this expression. We have negative 3 over 7 times 8 plus 5 times negative 3 over 7 plus negative 3 over 7. We can write negative 3 over 7, height common factor between all terms. The result here will be 8, and the result here will be 5, and the result here will be 1. Okay, then the result will be negative 3 over 7 times 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, it will be 14. 14 divided by 7, it will be 2. 2 times 3, it will be negative 6. Then the result here, it will be negative 6. We're using distributive properties. Next question, number 5. Find the value of x if the arithmetic mean of the value 8x756 is 5 is 6. Okay, he give us the mean equals 6. We know the mean equals sum of all values divided the number of the values, and the result will be 6. We have 8 and x and 7 and 5. We must add them and divide the number of all values here 1 2 3 4, and using the rule here 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 5 it will be 20, 20 plus x over 4 be 6, then 6 times 4 it will be 24, and 20 plus x equal 24, then x here will be 4. It's the value of x. Okay, question letter P. Find the value of k which makes the expression by divisible by 2x minus 3. We can use here division between two expressions. 2x power 3 subtract by x power 2 subtract 5x plus k divided by 2x minus 3. 2x power 3 divided by 2x, the result will be x power 2. And then x power 2 times this expression, write the result down here. X power 2 times 2x, it will be 2x power 3, and x power 2 minus 3, it will be negative 3x power 2, and then find the difference between two numbers. To change the sign here negative and it will be positive, cancel two terms here. Positive 3x power 2 negative x power 2, it will be 2x power 2, subtract 5x plus k, and then divided to x power 2 by 2x, positive here, 2 divided by 2 equal 1, and x power 2 divided x, it will be x, and then x times this expression, x times 2x, it will be 2x power 2, and x times negative 3, it will be negative 3x. And then we can change the sign here, subtract between two terms. You must change the sign here, it will be negative and here positive. Okay, we can cancel two terms here, and 5x minus it will be positive, it will be 8x plus k. 8x divided by 2x, it will be 4, because 4 times 2x, it will be 8x. 4 times 2x, it will be 8x, and 4 times negative 3, it will be negative 12. And then we can add them by write the inverse about the sign here. We can cancel two terms, and the result will be here k plus 12. Then we have here k plus 12, it will be equal 0, because this expression can divide by another. Then k plus 12 will be equal 0. Then here 4 times 3, it will be equal 12, and we have here was k and 8x. Since we have here the sign negative, not positive. Okay, negative 5x plus 3x, it will be negative 2x. Okay, again we have this sign negative. Okay, write negative here, and negative 5x plus 3x, it will be negative 2x plus, okay, negative 2x divided by 2x, it will be negative 1. Negative 1 times this expression, it will be negative 2x and positive 3. Then we must change the sign here, k minus 3, such that k minus 3, it will be equal 0. Then k here will be equal 3. It's the value of k, because this expression can be divided by 2x minus 3.